Well, the update we want to share with you is the Ministry of Home Affairs issuing guidelines on the restarting of manufacturing industries after the lockdown period. Now it is said, while restarting the unit, consider the first week as a trial or a test run period and ensure all safety and protocols are met with, and do not try to achieve high production targets. This is the MHA issuing guidelines for the restarting of manufacturing industries unit after the phase 3 of the lockdown. That means after a week later, we will be looking at certain manufacturing industries will be slowly and steadily starting to open up, but with restrictions that continue to be imposed. We have Piyush with us to tell us more about these guidelines. Piyush, what has been said by the MHA? Piyush, can you share the guidelines that have been shared by the MHA on the reopening of manufacturing units?
Well, Amrita, that's the latest what we are picking is that the Ministry of Home Affairs has now issued guidelines for restarting manufacturing industries, and that is after lockdown. We can also confirm from yours that since 8th of May, we have seen many industries getting opened up where they are following certain protocols, but MHA in its guidelines has advised them them to consider the first week as a trial and from the first week as the test run period. Moreover, the MHA has asked these industries to ensure all safety protocols. They have also that companies in the industries need not to try to achieve higher production targets, and that's the guideline which has been issued by Ministry of Home Affairs. Many companies, many shops, many industries have already opened and work started reaching there and they're starting manufacturing. We have seen companies of mobile phones and many other manufacturing hubs. They've started manufacturing, and looking at that and the turning up of the laborers and the workers there. Now the MHA has issued guidelines asking them to maintain all these safety protocols, and I have asked them not to look for much higher production rate.
All right, so quickly telling our viewers of the guidelines that Republic has accessed and the main points really when it comes to the inspection of all equipment as per the safety protocols in the restart phase. And Piyush, also important to note that the first week should be taken as a trial or a test run period and ensure that all safety protocols are met with, and do not have much expectations of the high production targets. So the first week of the resumption of the manufacturing units is to be taken as a trial phase, as a test run period.
Well, Amrita, we need to understand one thing that the MHA in its guidelines said first week should be a trial, which means first week, which means till 17th of May. So we today is 10th of May, and another week ends at 17th of May. So till 17th of May, till the time lockdown is there in the country, there should be safety protocols, and that should be seen as a trial period. So this is what the MHA is saying, that after the lockdown is relaxed, then only.
And in detail, these guidelines have been specified when it comes to the generic guidelines for industrial process, what the guidelines will be when it comes to storage of raw materials, the manufacturing process, and also the storage of products. Piyush, thanks very much for the update.